Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a brand new book to show you. It is from Clara Markova. Now I took it out of the cardboard, but I wanted to open the rest for you guys. So she's been releasing more books more frequently than she used to. I'm not complaining. So it comes in this bag here. She always includes like a little freebie. This is a postcard. I really need to start coloring these and mailing these off to people. Except I would put it in like an envelope so it wouldn't get all damaged. Alright. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Let's zoom you in. Ooh, not that much. We're going to do a flip through like all flip throughs on my channel. If you would prefer not to hear any voice commentary, you can feel free to mute me. I'll probably repost this on my quiet coloring channel where it's 100% silent as well, but I do like to kind of share thoughts and whatnot. So I love the color, love, oh, the bookmark that always comes with every book. That's really pretty. She's keeping to her normal theme though, like so she'll have the fabric binding with the gold lettering. Oh, I love her work. I'm telling you, if you do see her books come out and you want them, snag them. I got this on Etsy. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But do grab them because like some of her older ones you can't even get anymore. And often if there's one I really like, I'll buy a second copy. I have a few where I've doubled up. All right, so here we go. This is going to be fun because this is going to be orchards and fairies. Here's the title page. Curious to see if we have any Christmas themed ones in here. This is her signature. If you're kind of new to Clara Markova, she usually has like these little pages here. And this side kind of represents the theme of that section of the book. So you can like color it as a double page spread if you want. You can do it single. I would love to see if we got Christmas ones in here. Good paper, like always. Hardcover. Oh, this one is Christmassy. Look, it's got a little bell on it. That'd be kind of fun. You could make it Christmassy. Oh, so cute. Really wasn't too expensive on her Etsy. And it got here freaky fast. No joke, I bought this last week. And it came a couple days ago. It's the fastest I've ever gotten something from her. It like popped up and I'm like, whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Ooh, look at this double page spread. Oh, this is cute. I love coloring her berries. Don't ask me why, it's just something I've always enjoyed. Pencil wise, I usually will go with my Prismas first. I actually do enjoy using my polychromos in here on her pages. Let's see, my square brute fooners, whenever you can get refills of those, of course. I haven't tried like Arctics or anything on her paper, but I'm assuming it would work pretty well. But Prismas are usually my go-to, but I do enjoy using polys in her books. I don't often use Inktense in here. I usually like to color things very, very bright, and so I just want to use my Prismas. Oh, this would be a really fun one to color. Again, I love coloring her berries and blueberries. This is really cute. See, so we're on to different themes here. Oh, this is going to be so cute. And she usually, with most of her books, has different seasons going through them. So you will have Christmas ones in there. Oh, this would be fun to just do as a double page. This would be a good one to do like a tutorial on, filling in the bottle. Ooh. Her pages can be very overwhelming and busy at first. See, like this would be perfect for Halloween. She's like a little spring witch though. I would almost do it in spring colors. That's super cute. This woman is talented. I love it. And I love that she puts them in hardcover and all that. It's kind of weird. A little creepy ghost just flying about, but it's a good Halloween page, which means we'll probably have some Christmas ones because, yep, look, we got our fall stuff. This would have been super fun to color a couple months ago. Love to know if you bought this or if you're waiting on it. It's really not that expensive. Sorry, the jets fly by whenever I film. It's a Saturday and they're still flying by. Oh, I love this. This would be fun to turn into a gingerbread house, even though it's on the fall side. So cute. Ooh, look at that one. Gosh, I just love her work. Oh, that's a busy one, but that would be fun. I still don't think I've even colored a page in the last new one. She's been belting them out lately. It's impressive. Oh, now we're into the winter and Christmassy ones. Ooh, I like this one. This could be really fun. So is that one. It's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Oh, I like that too. That would be fun. Snow globe would always be fun. This would be fun as a gingerbread house, and you could totally make it a double page spread. Oh, that'd be good. You could even take your pencil and kind of like draw and make the ground look like it's going over there, and they're just hanging out in the same area. You don't have to, just throwing an idea out there. I love it. All of her books have seasonal stuff, so you could buy one book and still color it at Christmas time. Oh yeah, this was worth every penny, and I didn't even wait to receive it. It was so fast. Ooh, I like this one. I really do. Like I said, her double page spreads can be kind of intimidating at times. She always has these little like 3D insert ones you can do. I never do them, but there's quite a few people that have. That is so great. I really love the colors. I am a sweet unicorn little girl. That's I love the colors of this one. The last one was like yellow and pinks too. Oh gosh, she just, yeah. I'm probably going to go onto her Etsy and buy a second copy of the last 3 that have come out, because I want to always like have them in my collection, because sometimes I'll color a page and then my skills improve like I have with her older books, and I'm glad I bought a second copy because I'm like, I want to redo that page. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up going and buying her past 3 that I haven't doubled up on. But yeah, like I said, this thing came freaky fast. I don't know if it was that way for other people who ordered it, but mine didn't even take 2 weeks. So let me know if you got this, what you thought, or if you're waiting for the flip throughs. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing any color alongs. I do most of the color alongs on my silent coloring channel now, and then I do shorter versions on this channel. So you'll start seeing that content pop back up on my quiet one. But maybe I can start something on a live stream. It's just a matter of if enough people have this book to follow along. That's the big thing. But I would love to know your thoughts and if you would like to see a color along. And yeah, until next time, take care. Bye now.